Hey everyone, my name's Josh, salesman here at Pine Hill Trailers, and today we're going to take a closer look at a BWise Ultimate Dump trailer. But before we get started, remember to like, comment, and subscribe so you can be notified when we get new videos uploaded. Now let's take a closer look at this BWise DU1615 Ultimate Dump trailer. From the front here, we'll see our 8-inch tubed mainframe, as well our safety chains for towing. Up front, we have an adjustable 2 5/16" coupler, which can be swapped out for a pintle ring at no charge. From the front here, you'll also notice the hydraulic jack, which comes standard on all of the Ultimate Dump trailers from BWise. Inside our lockable toolbox here will be housed the battery, as well as the hydraulics, the pump, and the valves. There is also a charger over here. You can see the plug-in, where you can run an extension cord to it. It's set up to a trickle charger to keep your battery charged up when it's not in use. This trailer did come with the optional wireless remote, which controls the front jack here as well as the other features on the trailer. All you have to do is turn it on, and then you have your up and down feature. And it's that simple. The Ultimate Dumps all come standard with the tarp and arm kit. The Ultimate Dumps come standard with 48-inch tall sides, where the top 20 inches will fold down to make it easier to load from the side. The Ultimate Dumps sit on two 7,000-pound axles, giving it an axle weight rating of 14,000 pounds. As well, you can see the 16-inch aluminum wheels, which do come standard on all of the Ultimate Dumps. As well, they give you a matching spare tire. All of the Ultimate Dumps as well come with these rear drop-down stabilizer jacks, which you can put down to help take the load off of your tow vehicle if you're going to load a heavy piece of equipment into the back of your trailer. This large heavy-duty ramp gate is hydraulically controlled and designed to come down like a ramp, as well come up from the bottom to be used as a spreader. In order to drop our ramp gate down here in the back, first we have to undo this safety latch. Now that we're ready to lower our rear gate here, we're going to use our wireless remote once again to do that. Now to bring the tailgate up from the bottom to use it like a spreader, you have two safety latches, exactly the same, one on this side, one on the opposite side here, that just need to be released so that it can now raise from the bottom. Now that both safeties are released, we're ready to raise the bottom gate here using our wireless remote once again. Now we're going to raise the dump up to take a look at what's going on underneath. And again, we're going to use our wireless remote to do that. From underneath here, you can see our matching spare wheel and tire, as well as this nice big mesh bottom cargo carrying area for your tarps or straps or any tools you want to take with you. As well, you can see our heavy duty 5-inch cylinder as part of our scissor hoist. The BWise Ultimate Dump trailers come finished in a nice heavy duty powder coat finish. As well, you can see with this one, we have a black frame, a green box. They do have an option for two-toning all of their trailers, and they do have a lot of different colors that you can pick from. As you can see, this is a high-quality dump trailer backed by BWise 5-year factory warranty. If you have any more questions about this trailer or any other trailer we may have, feel free to stop by or give us a call at any time. And remember, here at Pine Hill, we're driven by you.